Okay, Saturday, the 7th of October, 2023. We're going to do an unboxing and setup of this indoor safe Mr. Heater Little Buddy 3800 BTU propane heater. We have several heat sources, but we're going to break this one in tonight. 5.6 hours on a 1 pound, 95 square feet, which should well heat this van. 3800 BTUs. So trying to video this with 2 cameras and probably not doing a good job of it for either one of them. Put the pound propane tank in there. Push to turn it off. It also has automatic shut off. Mash it to turn it on. Looks like it's pretty simple. Push to ignite pilot. After lit, hold for 30 seconds. Release to start heater. I was wondering if it had a low and a high switch, but it does not. But it's supposed to get down to 42 tonight. We're in South Carolina. I don't know where we're going to stay, but we're going to get this cranked up. It looks like it won't take but a second to get it cranked up and going. So let's see, we're going to hit the road. We're going to go west and we're going to catch I-85. We're going to go north, maybe up to Charlotte, but I don't know where we're going to stay tonight. We'll just have to see. So let's start to connect this thing up and see what's going on with it. Okay, clearance from combustibles. Top 30 inches, front 24 inches, sides 6 inches, and back 0. So we've got to make sure we find the right place to set this in here. Make sure we've got clearance. Don't kick it over. Well, you can kick it over. It's got tip over and it's got automatic cutoff. So we've already taken the top off. All we need to do is screw it in here, put that back in there, and we will go ahead and turn it on just to get it going. We'll turn it back off because we won't need it until we decide where we're, we'll figure out where we're going to be tonight. Okay, well, that's about as simple as it can be. We just push that, let the pilot light, you'll see the pilot light come on, hold it for 30 seconds, release it. It sort of catches the radiant, and you can tell the radiant heat little grills are starting to get red. You can feel the heat coming off of it pretty good. And right here would not be a bad place for it. We'd have the clearance at the back, clearance on both sides, and clearance in the front and the top. So that may be right where it goes tonight when we crawl in back there.